Well, today is home day for me. It's Saturday morning. I've got a dinner to go to tonight. I had one job to do today, which was be escort driver to relocate the field bins from one paddock or one farm to a different farm. And so I've got back with a field bin after escorting that here. And as you can see, I'm in the chaser bin offloading. So one thing for sure, you can see up there.
I do one more run on this side so I don't have to stop.
Shifting priorities. It's something that happens all the time. You think you're doing one thing and you need to run and you need to go flat out. It's always go in harvest, and so there's no mucking around. And when you think you're doing one thing, shifting priorities, now you're doing something else, and you have to excel at it and ace it. First time. This bin was relocated, but the loading doors, the doors on the top that I'm pouring into, were shut when I got.
Nearly empty, Paul?
Yeah, just about. Gotta go.